There you are at another networking group, and it's your turn for the spotlight. Or maybe you are a host in front of a group. Well, guess what? You're a speaker, and you want to show up professionally and polished. Why? Because you have a message to share and people need to hear it. So you always want to make sure that you are dressing your best. Dress one level up from your audience. So say, for example, you have a blue jean crowd. It's okay to wear jeans. Just make sure they're your good jeans and not the ones with the holes in them. And by dressing one level up would be make sure that you add a cardigan or a light jacket. This will keep you relatable to your audience and yet still level up a little bit of authority for you.